In this video, I will take you through the process of setting up any surround sound system or entertainment system without a user manual. This will give you a movie theater experience right at home. This system has 5 channels with a subwoofer, and you can see the speakers here, which are the front left and right speakers, surround left and right speakers, center speaker, and subwoofer. Other surround sound systems may have 2 more channels for rear left and right speakers. Some other systems may have only 3 channels with just left and right surround sound speakers, a center speaker with a subwoofer. There are also sound bars with a block of small speakers with a subwoofer. Having fewer channels means easier setup. Let's take a look at the back of this receiver to see all the connections. This might be different from yours, but you will have similar connectors. All these are outdated connections for older devices, and it's unlikely that you will be using these in year 2023. Back here are mainly video and audio connectors, and the manufacturer gives different options for different devices. These are all old audio inputs, namely causal input, which needs this cable, optical input for TV, which needs this cable, and 2 older analog audio connectors which requires this cable, or this cable which also has a video connector. These are the audio outputs, namely the subwoofer output for the powered subwoofer. Some subwoofers will not be powered, and positive and negative wires will need to be connected. The speaker output wires go here. Positive and negative wires for the left and right front speakers, left and right surround speaker wires go here, and the center speaker wires go here. 2 older video in and 1 video out connector are here. Hopefully you won't need to use these older connectors, and you will be using modern high definition multimedia interface known as HDMI, which connects both video and audio in 1 cable. This is the cable that will be needed. This is the HDMI output to the television or monitor, and these are 5 HDMI inputs which are for all the video inputs such as Fire Stick, DVD, Android box, laptop, etc. This is for internet connection, and these are for radio antennas, AM and FM bands. Let me show you how I do my connections. I will be connecting 5 speakers, a subwoofer, a Fire Stick, and a television to this receiver. I'll place the receiver right here and connect the power cord. Now I'll select where I will place all my speakers, then connect the positive and negative wires. This is the professional layout, but I will lay out mine a little different because of spacing and a neat presentation. I'll place my subwoofer here. This is the front left speaker. The surround left speaker goes here, and the surround right speaker goes here. The center speaker goes here, and the right front speaker goes here. I will have to turn this on the side for it to fit. It's time to connect the wires. I will first connect the subwoofer audio output cable. It goes right here, and the other end is connected to the subwoofer here. It's time to connect the speakers, and I will start with the right front speaker. Some connectors are easier to install than others. Some connectors have push-on connectors like this one, and in my case I have 2 other types. The speakers have what I call a press and insert type, while the receiver has what I call a insert and tighten type. The key is to be consistent with the positive and negative color choice. My wires are copper and silver. I will be using the copper wire for the positive side and the silver wire for the negative side. The copper wire is in, the silver wire is in. Now I need to connect these wires to the front right connectors on the receiver. They are right here. I will need to insert and tighten. I will do the same for the other speaker, making notes of where they should be connected. That's the right surround sound speaker. No, that's for the center speaker. No, that's for the left surround speaker. And finally, the left front speaker. The speakers are all connected. Now I can connect the television with the HDMI cable. The HDMI cable output is right here. Now I need to connect the other end to the HDMI input on the television. Finally, let's connect this Fire Stick. I have 5 HDMI input ports right here. I will choose HDMI 1. I can now plug this in the power outlet and I'm done. I'll push the entertainment center back in place and test the surround sound system. It's working fine and I am ready to play music and watch movies. Let me know if I should do a video going through the settings. And note that each system will have different settings. See you on the next video, guys.